In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see liked reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap right here at these three lines and then go to your activity. That's where we can easily find likes. If we get into it, it will show us all the posts and reels we have liked on Instagram. Unfortunately, we can't filter it just by reels or posts. However, we can filter it by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Also, we can filter it by date and by authors. If you would like to unlike some reel, you can open it up. As you can see, this heart icon is now highlighted, and then if we tap right here, we'll be able to unlike it and remove it from that list. If we refresh the page, we can see that that reel is no longer showing here. That's how you can easily see liked reels on Instagram.